Hi everyone. So remember that one time we did punch needling?
And it was terrible?
It was
And
terrible.
we made terrible jokes?
Yeah. It was very PG-13 crass level.
Abby learned something, which is really useful to know.
Really had no idea. So,
because we didn't know which was which, right?
I did this, and I'm like, oh, this is the front, and the whole time I'm making this is the side that was facing, and I thought that's how you did it. But then we're like, what's the point of adjusting the height of this if it always looks the same here? We were like, I don't get it. So I made all these flowers. Is it upside down? It's upside down.
It is upside down.
It's supposed to look like a tree with blossoms. Anyway, so, but then I learned this is actually the side that's supposed to show when you're done, because if you can see over in this section, we've got some longer loops because we adjusted.
Yeah, this is a little longer over here.
The loop length with this, and I'm like, this is the other side.
Because she was adjusting it and wasn't changing anything on this side.
Yeah.
But it was changing it on this
Oh,
side.
on that side. We're like, I don't get it. So but then my flowers just look like blobs, so
Blobby
we'll have to do
blobs.
some adjusting there. So anyway, that is what we learned. So we're gonna do a little more punch needling.
We're gonna, this time, try drawing on it.
Yeah.
And giving us guidelines on what to do, where to go. The only reason I thought of this was because I saw other punch needlers do it. So I was like, I'm gonna give that a go. The only thing I'm thinking now is, do we write on this side to make it the right way?
No, because you write on the side, then that gets covered up. That's why you can do that. And then you flip it over, and the marker isn't on this side, but this is the right side. So you draw it on this side, this is the back. You're drawing on the back side.
Right.
This is the
but
back
either
side.
way, it's gonna get covered up because of the
but this
needles.
is the back side.
Okay, so do I make what I'm making
Yes.
backwards?
Oh,
See?
because we're doing...
I know, that's why I'm like, oh, shoot.
Yeah, we're going to have to think about that.
We'll be right back. Okay. We back. We good.
Gotta do some research.
Does it show up on the other side? It doesn't? Okay. We had to do some research, so it doesn't show on the other side, so dang it. Words. Insert words.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
We're gonna try this.
How do I do this? Oh my gosh.
This makes so much more sense now.
Right? Okay. Where's my thing? I'm going to do
Why
this.
isn't this going through? There we go.
It's working.
You're doing
Doing it, Peter. I'm not supposed to do it that way. Don't follow those lines, Danielle. Follow the other lines.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh my gosh. Now all I'm thinking about is that Judy movie we watched.
I know. And how maybe nobody should be a child actor.
Yeah.
I don't know if I believe in it anymore.
I was doing it right. Because now this is the right way.
Just draw a simple one and then go from there. I'm really interested to see. I just don't like that I don't know what's happening on the other side. I'm like, this feels backwards.
She's like, this is not okay. Okay, so, okay. I mean, it's not going to be totally centered, but it's going to be fine, okay, guys?
It's gonna be fine. It's
Okay.
pretty, actually, really good.
I think I need a reminder since you already popped. I just put this in, Abby? In here?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just a reminder. It's this little thing that you can't see in the video is holding my string.
Little wire.
It's a little wire.
It's your threader.
Yeah, it's my threader. See, it's
Oh,
popping
that's
out right there.
why. This is.
Let's see if you can see it. Popping out right there. And then you just pull through.
Pull
and
through.
it
Oh,
threads
pull-
it. Oh, pull through
and
this
there.
little hole. There. Yes, that's right. I needed that reminder. Thank you. Whew, we almost missed it. Okay, so I definitely need a reminder. What number did you do?
I think I'm on B because I wanted this part to be out more.
I like it.
So I
Okay.
tried it.
So then, how much of this do I have out?
That's just your leader, so it could be really short.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Now that we've figured out the right side and wrong side.
Right side, wrong side.
The more you know. You know those PSAs?
Oh my gosh. Okay, start right here.
I don't think I don't know, this is. Need some more techniques. Should watch some more videos.
On
How to do this. And like, how do these people hold it? And like, it goes so far through. And like, you can't just hold it on the table. So if you're holding it like this, it gets caught. If you angle it this way.
If I angle it,
like
goes in better.
Yeah, like almost upside down. It kind of seems like it.
There we go. Got it. Nope, don't. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We can do this. I just have to find a spot to like put it.
Okay, is it doing it better? Oh yeah. Oh, I like how it looks. Okay.
I feel like I wish it would go faster in a way. I don't know why.
Going back up to the
Oh
beginning.
jeez. Well, that looks mostly good.
Cute.
So do I just cut it then?
Yeah.
All right.
Should we show
Ready?
them?
Uno, dos, tres.
Yay! We did it!
But this way actually looks right. According to the camera, but according to the way I see it.
Oh, right.
It's backwards.
Does
on
it
the
flip
camera.
it?
That's funny. It flips it. The camera's flipping it.
No, I mean like later.
Oh, yeah.
Or maybe not. I don't know.
It's a good question.
Is it gonna be backwards?
It's backwards.
But yeah.
Look at my tiny little 4 and your giant 5. 5.
I'm a 4. Well, I just had a bigger hoop.
You did have a bigger hoop, so you had more space.
Yeah.
I had a little space. Right here. Okay.
All right.
And then we're gonna go decorate some more, and then we'll come back. Okay? Okay. Punch needle.
Punch needle. We're gonna be honest with you. Not our favorite. More honest would be, I kind of hate it. I tried it. And
We tried it. That's one thing we can say. And
I don't like it anymore.
It actually makes us quite grouchy when we do it. But you know what? I want to just give it the benefit of a doubt and say, even though we did this, and this is the second time we done it, and it was still not fun. I hated knitting when I first did it. I quit it and came back to it a year later. So maybe if I come back to this a year later, I might like it because I love knitting now. So we're just going to give it a benefit of a doubt for now.
So it could be. I still love watching the videos.
Yeah.
Of people punching it. It's mesmerizing. It's much more relaxing to watch it.
It really is.
It's like watching other people exercise. You're like,
That
Don't
actually, I'm
mind
like, I'll pass.
while I eat an Oreo.
Well, I ate an Oreo.
Like
and
watching
watched
the
you work out.
Olympics, you're like, yes, run faster, swim harder, jump higher.
While I eat my Oreo and cheer you on.
Pass the chips.
Pass the chips.
Pass the chips.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah, we did our punch needle. Should we show them what we did?
It's backwards, but hey.
I know. It isn't in real life.
Right.
It's actually like,
Oh yeah. This is technically the right way.
yeah.
Well,
Well, mine started out, I don't even want to talk about it because I don't even understand. It's like talking about the time-space continuum. We started on the wrong side, which is actually the right side. And then I decided that I didn't like the right side and the wrong side, so I switched the right side to the wrong side at the end. That is what happened.
Okay, wait. What was that from?
Untangle that. Nothing.
Nothing. You just made that up right now.
Wow, that was good. Let's write a book about.
You thought I was quoting
I
something?
did. I was like, impressive.
You just don't know how much I can BS. Can I say BS on our videos?
Oh yeah.
There are too many people who love Jesus who watch our videos.
You know what that is.
And then the other people are like, she said Jesus.
Which one are we
This is
gonna
all-
please?
what I'm all about. I'm just gonna divide everybody up.
Or like Ron Swanson, when he's like, "Who broke the coffee pot?" I broke the coffee pot. They'll be at each other's throats soon.
Yes. So we made 4s and 5s.
We did.
Because we're a tiny bit obsessed with the Enneagram.
Tiny bit.
Tiny bit. Danielle has much knowledge. I have little, but I love it. So we talk about it all the time. So we're going to use these in our videos when we talk Enneagram. We're not going to do it now.
No.
But I'm just telling you why we did 4s and 5s. So anytime we are going to have that discussion, we're going to have these
Yeah.
in our video. We'll just hold them up and you'll be like, never mind, I don't want to watch it. Or, dude, Enneagram, let's do it.
In which I'm going to tell you right now, as with all the learning of Enneagram that I've been doing, you are never supposed to type people or children. So we are typing TV characters just because it's fun. So we're not typing actual people or humans or saying you're this or that and getting that stuck in your head. We're just having fun with it and typing characters.
Yes.
Yeah. So I've read like 3 books on it now. Abby's
Catching up. Whoop, whoop. Who's it calling?
husband's calling.
Husband.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. All right, love you, bye.
Bye, Swan.
Taking phone calls and eating Oreos
You know, life.
in the middle of our video.
Yeah. So Abby's catching up. She just bought a couple books.
I'm excited to hear her point of view on it. It'll be fun. We already have super fun conversations about it. We're learning so much about ourselves right now. It's not even funny.
So much.
I mean, it's
And about
funny,
other people.
but it's not funny.
I
'Cause
love
it's
it
like-
and I hate it.
Oh, I do struggle with that.
I am that way. So yeah,
Ending thoughts. I mean, our beginning thoughts were probably the same as their ending thoughts.
it's
No,
true.
the beginning thoughts of this actual video was this will be fun. We're gonna make numbers. The ending thoughts are this was not fun.
We don't love it.
But you know what? It's okay to not be good at something
Yeah, we tried
or
it.
not be amazing at something.
Yep.
Yeah. We know what our craft is. It's
Exactly.
just not punch needle. So,
So,
even though, I mean, and it's okay to not be good at something, like I said. So, we're okay with not being good at it. So, what we might do, what might we do, Abby?
maybe we'll just do a giveaway with all of our punch needle supplies. So someone else can try it. Like you and a
Yeah.
friend could try. Maybe we should do that.
Ooh, you and a friend could try it. Yeah.
Give away our punch needles. And what else
I have
do we
some
have?
of this fabric.
Ooh, this monk's cloth. This is really,
I mean, this is how you do punch needling. I've learned the hard way that you don't use anything but monk's cloth for punch needling. And from all the YouTube videos I've watched.
So there you go.
Also, I have learned that Abby said last time, this is the front. I mean, look at the front compared to the back.
Yeah, I don't get it.
I watched a YouTube video on it, and
the lady, she did it where she was punching through here, and this was the front.
but then she went like this, turned it around, and did some punch needling on this side, so she didn't have it all like loopy like that, but like this. So that's the other thing. Punch needling is on basically any side you really want it to be.
And this is how my back looks. Look how sorry. Look how spacey it is.
Yeah.
And then I did. I turned it around at the front for my gray because I couldn't get it to fill in. It was taking my whole life. I like how my 5 turned out. I mean, this
Yeah,
is
the 5 looks great.
the wrong. So I had this side facing, pushing it through this way, and that's what I wanted it to look like. And then the gray, I just couldn't get it. I like how we did ours super similar. We didn't even know.
No, we didn't. Oh, we did. You have the gray.
They're just matchy.
That's so funny.
Mine looks like a carpet.
It does. So, yeah, there you go. That's punch needling.
Punch
and
needling.
someone else should give it a try. And we would love to
Know what you think of it and how it worked for you, because I am sure someone else could do far better
than I.
Someone else will love it.
Yeah. So,
Punch needling, not for us.
not for us. We may be good at other things, just not this. Or a fan of it.
We
Whatever.
tried.
We try.
Bye.
Bye.
I tried to pee.
Here you go, catch.
All right, we're out of here. See you next time. You don't want all this garbage.
No, I don't want it.
It's garbage.
Keep it over there.